when I don't hear from the complainant, now the reason why I talk, say, make the complainant re-complain, re-narrate. Now, because when I ask one of the respondents, I say, you hear the narration where, he say, in here, in here. I know here where. So that where, now I won't make it here and where. This time around, now face to face, nose to nose. With this one where we talk, it gets observations where I don't make, even though not be immediately I go bring the observations. Once again, your name now. Give him this microphone. You see, I don't want make waiting happen to this man happen to you. Hold the handheld microphone. I beg, no vex.
My name is Isaac Ojemeke.
Okay, now it be the Isaac way they refer to as the man where they write petition up and down. Now make we hear from, make them reintroduce themselves.
Okay. My name is Dr. Ibokwe Chukuma Ibokwe, okay. Deputy Secretary General, Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria.
Okay, wait, sir. Are you a staff of the association or a member?
I'm a member.
Okay.
Association, if trade union, according to the Labor Act, has two sets of members. Card-carrying members and non-card carrying members.
So you now?
We are the non-card carrying members.
Okay.
Because we don't vote in an election or in anything, but we are members. He has two sets of members, according to the Labor Act.
Okay.
Dues paying member and overhead. Let's use the word dues paying member and non-dues paying member.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Honorary President. My name is Comrade Sheikh Ahmed. I'm the National President of the Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria.
Okay. So, now, make we hear from you. You don't hear them. I don't need to repeat anything again.
Yes.
Talk your own side of the story.
Thank you, Honorary President. The matter as a narrator...
Talk to the mic, sir.
The matter as a narrator is not like that.
Talk your own.
Yes. First and foremost, when he came aboard in 2020, it was through unopposed because of the cordial, relationship, because of his own image that he made when he was national vice president for 8 years. Within that period of 8 years, where the union saw him as somebody based on the fact of what he was doing, that he can lead the union. And that was how eventually he was elected unopposed in 2020. When he was the vice president, sir, for that 8 years, if the president was not in any of the meetings, he chairman most of those meetings and take decisions. Sometimes he chairman CWC meetings, sometimes he chairman NEC meetings and other meetings and take decisions. That time, nothing was wrong with how the decision was being run. But when he now emerged as the president, nothing was still wrong with the union because everything was flowing gradually. It was out of that smooth flow of activities that he operated from when he operated until NAPTI came in. Like he mentioned, when he came aboard, he saw the savings that the union has, he saw the investment, saw everything. He became amazed that how can the union be able to amass this kind of savings. But it was explained to him that it was from activities like trainings of executive, both locally and internationally. Of which that idea, he didn't buy it. What concerns the union with trainings abroad? Yes. Even the chairman...
It was against the idea of upgrading...
Yes.
Knowledge upgrading.
Yes. The chairman across the federation can testify that since he came on board, none of them has gone international training. He aborted that arrangement. Then, before this time, we used to give President Prado Jeep as official car. But when he came, I said, with the level of what I've seen, I won't take Prado Jeep. That it must be Lexus Jeep manufactured that year. Even though it was not the function of him to scout for vehicles to buy, because he is not a secretarial staff, he insisted that he would be the one to do the purchasing at his own price. He gave the price. 69 million naira was given to him. I think he collected the money in 3 tranches. After he collected, what the union was expecting was that, okay, this is the vehicle I have bought. He didn't. He was not charging the union for Uber as he's moving around. This is double jeopardy. Then again, he said if they want to book flight for him, it shouldn't be economy. That he's the president of the richest union in Africa.
Is it true?
Yes, he says so.
But is it true?
It's not true.
Okay.
So he said won't fly economy, it must be first class and not business class. Then later,
previous presidents them.
Economy.
The Prado we una give them. Where then they?
Like most of them, like the immediate past one before him, that one served 8 years. And over the period, wears and tears. In fact,
where the Prado they?
They value it and allow them to pay the residual value.
Continue, sir.
And he is part of the meetings that do the valuation and approve. So, in other words, he feel that the money should be used the way he wants to use it. In fact, he mentioned that I will teach them how to spend money and how to retire money. But he believed that he's an accountant. When the issue of NAMTI came, everybody moved along with him to NAMTI office.
Everybody?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And in fact,
including you?
Yes.
Okay.
I was surprised they say I didn't go. And in fact, the union offered quickly make provision for a lawyer. But he said he want to use his own private.
What will be the name of the lawyer we will now offer to give?
We have a union. We have a lawyer that work with the union.
What will be the name?
Isizobo Johnson. But it's Isizobo Johnson. But he said he want to use his private, so they allow him to do that. Even though the last program he mentioned that he was framed up, I'm not to go into that one. But
you have to respond to anyone. In fact, sir, I think there will be the need for the former Secretary General to be here, because you were only mentioned partially in the course of the journey. He told us that the whole thing originated from the bad blood between him and the former Secretary General, Mr. Is it Alabi? Alade Bashir Lawal. Because in the course of this, our narration here, we are going to ask questions. Mm-hmm. First of all, after you have finished your narrations, you have the right to ask him questions.
Okay.
For him to answer. And he has the right to ask you questions. Now, if you have people that are here to support your argument, you bring them, they say their own portion of their contribution. If he has people that will support his argument, they will say their own portion of their contribution. I don't know if I'm making it clear.
Yeah.
So, sir, why is the former Secretary General not here, sir?
The former Secretary General is retired staff of this association.
Yes.
And he's
but the whole thing originated when he was the Secretary General. Because person don't retire. Now only in Nigeria then they do this rubbish. Person go do anything anyhow. Because he knows say if he retire, nothing go follow. For Brekete family. Here, even if the matter na 100 years,
yes,
we go follow up.
Very
if you die, we follow up with your family.
Very well.
You understand, sir? So, sir, for me not to interrupt you, say your own. The one way no concern you, no put mouth.
No problem.
You no go help somebody. You no go borrow. You no go chop onions on behalf of somebody. You don't know whether na garlic in they prefer. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Immediately after he was arrested by NAMTIP, three of my colleagues in the Abuja office, we got report that they entered the president's office very early in the morning and took away some items. We issued them a query. Why? Because you are not, that's not your function. They agreed that they entered.
Which people and which person
One,
entered?
Elias Idoko. 2, Mary Oyana.
Okay, you're interrupting
3,
us.
Oliver
I'm sorry, sir. Please. Thank you. I'm sorry for interrupting you.
Yes, sir.
The way I did not allow you to interrupt them, same way I don't want any distraction.
Yes, sir.
So
3.
how many people will I give?
3.
Okay.
3, Oliver Chairman. Okay, 1, Oliver Chairman is here. 2, Elias Idoko is here. 3, Mary Oyana, I didn't see her
And
here.
the reason why we not give them the query now because when I hear say after they arrest the president, they enter the president office very early in the morning, to carry some things. Waiting they carry. And who be the person will see them?
1, the cleaner and the security guard.
Okay.
Were in the office.
Continue,
Yes.
sir.
Then they first deny.
Meaning to say maybe he gets some incriminating things where they can squeeze out in order not to be used against him. This is me. This is me thinking.
Yes, sir.
So continue.
Yes, sir. Initially, all of them agreed that they entered, but that they never carry away anything. But when they not heard that, because when they entered there is a CCTV camera in the office, which was being controlled by, it was domiciled in the office of the president. That one was not on. But when they now heard that the neighbor who was occupying the same building with us, that he put on his camera and that he videoed it, they now say, hey, this thing might result in something else. And also as the matter came up,
initially they accepted
that they entered the office.
But later, when they got to hear that the neighbor has CCTV and the CCTV was on, they now deny?
No. Initially, they agreed they entered the office, but deny carry anything out of the office. But when they now got wind that even though the one in the office was off, that there's another one that was still on, that would have captured them carrying away those things, they now became afraid. You got the point, sir?
So did they confess?
They did not. They did not.
So how were they afraid
what
if they did not confess?
We used to hear, it's a family, we hear each other.
You have to substantiate here, sir.
Even in one of the letters we gave to them, we put it there.
Sorry, sir. Okay, please allow him now. Okay, I know what to do. You know they go anywhere. He said one go peace. No way alarm. Yeah, go. Please. Okay. No, don't worry, I go drop. When you reach una turn, una go talk una own. Oh, So continue, sir. Don't mind them. Order.
Thank you, sir. So by way of making progress, the former president, when he came out of detention, he now got me
Anybody
arrested.
You mention
Okay,
in designation, you go mention in name. The way in
Bola Audu innocent.
Sir, we know they argue. If you dey talk, I'm not going to interrupt you. Make I drop first. Anybody where you mention in designation or office, you go mention in name. The way into mention una names that time and designation. Sorry for interrupting you, sir. After this one now, I'm not going to interrupt you. Continue, sir.
Bola Audu innocent wrote a petition against me at the FCT command that I boggled his office. We were arrested and taken to SAS. I was arrested. My colleague too, Comrade Sunny BC, who they just saw with me, they arrested him too. There was a particular chairman who just came to greet us in the secretariat, Comrade Laide, who is the chairman, Federal Minister of Agri, was equally arrested.
Who arrested them?
Bola Audu innocent. It took us to SAS office. There we were accused of burgling his office. The question I put forth to the police is that what need do I have to burgle his office when I was the one that I gave him just a single key out of the bulk of keys to that office at the head of the secretariat for him to access the office? What need do I have? Police took cognizance of that. Eventually, when they were pressing forward and they got aware that even that thing were at the captured by the other person's TV, they did not pursue that case again. That's how that case went.
Died.
Then he now changed the narrative that these people have stolen billions of naira. We're not saying since the union was registered in 1978 till now, how much is the check-off due? Let even assume that the union was collecting check-off due alone without responsibility. How much could it have accumulated to? So that one person will be able to steal these billions and others, were they blind? Where were they? That they were not seeing it. He now wrote a petition. He now, at Alagbo, okay, they had to pick us from Alagbo.
In Lagos?
Yes. Bola Audu innocent wrote a petition at Alagbo. They had to pick us from Abuja here, take us to Lagos.
Why?
Oh, they say we have chopped money of the union.
Okay, because the office is in Lagos.
He's just changing position. I will tell you what else have changed. He's just changing position.
You know,
just to punish.
Like say, in the corner with police in order to use to police to intimidate una.
Just to punish us. He now went to Alagbo. He's in Abuja here. He went to Alagbo and filed the complaint. They now took us there. When we went there, we laid bare the whole processes. We opened the books. They now discovered that even some of the money that they said we have stolen, some were traceable to him. Just like he mentioned, just like Bola Audu innocent mentioned when he was talking, before you take a dime from the union, you must sign. Unknown to him that we have record. Me too, I'm an accountant. We have records.
Okay, you're an accountant.
Yeah, I'm an accountant. Of keeping records as to how finances were being made. So when we explored the whole thing, they had to allow us to go from Alagbo. We left that matter end there. He was still not satisfied. He now wrote another petition through one of his, the one he called the last minute time. It says the chief of staff to the office of the president, one Mike Hime, to EFCC, on the same thing that we have houses in Dubai, have there millions of naira everywhere, and those ones too check the books, scrutinize it thoroughly. We submitted the documents that featured majorly even where they too were standing for their own entitlements through us. And as if that was not enough, he too, I'm surprised that he said that Aladela Bashir wrote petition against him. He was the one that wrote petition against us at ICPC. It took the effort of our lawyer, Honorary President, to convince one of the two agencies to drop because it was double jeopardy on the same issue.
Which agency and which agency?
ICPC and EFCC. Okay. But he now said that he never wrote petition against us. So in the course of investigation, it was now unraveled that those millions that we stole, quote, contained the 69 million that they gave to him to buy vehicle that he did not purchase. So that's how the radar now turned on him. Okay. Why did you not purchase this vehicle? And as we are talking now, it's undergoing prosecution of that matter through ICPC at the High Court. He left that issue. He now went, like, let me speak on that FCC order that he said he got, restraining us. That order was never served on this union. In fact, during the course of the proceedings, it was proven that even the court belief that came to serve the order, they wrote 8:45 p.m. at the time they said they served the order. When we pointed that one out, later you see they now put a correction fluid to try to amend that position.
The time they received they claimed to have submitted or served you.
Yes. They say 8:45 p.m. But that order was never served on this union. And as a law-abiding union, even though an order we feel, we obey. We go to court and argue the matter. But that order was never. And we have proven that case, that matter before the court, and that matter is still on appeal.
FCT High Court?
Yes, FCT High Court. Then, when that was not working, he now went to Lagos. He now went to Lagos and now sued nominal parties. I have some documents here. In fact, there he deceived the judge and said the following were applicants. 1, the Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria, applicant 1. 2, Comrade Innocent Bola Audu, National President, applicant 2. 3, Mrs. Rehab A. Megeri, National Treasurer, applicant 3. Then he now said, and he now listed the respondents. Ordinary President list of the respondents. 1, the Inspector General Police Force Headquarters, Los Edet House, Area 11, Garki, Abuja. 2, Assistant Inspector General Police Force Criminal Investigation Department, FCID, Alagmo Close, Ikoyi, Lagos. The Commissioner of Police, Federal Capital Territory, Command, Abuja. Assistant Inspector General Police, Special Protection Unit, Abuja. Force Headquarters, Los Edet House. Commissioner of Police, Lagos. Then he now went further. Union Bank of Nigeria, Zenith Bank, PSC, First Bank of Nigeria, GTB Co., formerly GTB Bank of Nigeria. What were the prayers here? That he is the authentic president of the union, and that this respondent, the police now, had been used by those he described in that his court processes as criminals to lock him out of the office, and that the court should, 1, order the IG of police to instruct these other layers of police to open up his office for him to enable him access. 2, the court should order that the banks should accept him as one of the signatories. So we didn't know. The judge gave an order that police should unseal the office and allow him to enter, and they should give him maximum protection. But the judge, now his wisdom, in our sense of foul play, how would the national president be asking me for an order to operate my account? He now declined that. Instead, he now said, both you and those who operated before, no one should operate the account.
Do you have any document to support that?
They are here.
Okay.
They are here. No one should operate the account.
When he's done with the documents, I would love to have them.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So when we went to transact, they say there is no post, no debit. We now saw quickly we have to run to the same court too. So in this case
Which
now,
court?
Federal High Court holding at Lagos.
Presided by
Justice A.O. Adeje or something like that. The stamp here.
Okay.
Okay.
Isiagu. Osiagu. Okay. Continue, sir.
It's okay, sir. Then we now came in now. One, Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria. We are now want to be joined as a respondent. So there were little argument or little play. How come applicant, Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria, now respondent, Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria? What happens? The judge, in his wisdom, equally seek to hear from other members of the Central Working Committee who now confirm the essence of the matter to him in court. It was after that confirmation, the judge said he never knew that it was this matter they brought before him. He now vacated the earlier order. And the judge now directly ordered that the office should be restored back to those who were in charge before the earlier order, and the banks too should equally be operated by those who were signatories before the earlier order. Then Bola Audu Innocent now filed a stay of execution before the same judge. The judge now, having gone through, he became infuriated. You see it in his own, the last order, that you were forum shopping. You were suing nominal parties. You never sued the right party. You hidden the right party from me. You were now suing nominal party. We led to the earlier order being made in error. Now I have vacated that order that was made in error. You are now saying you will not vacate that office. He now said you are in contempt of court if you did not vacate that office. So it was the enrollment order based on that last judgment that we were able to remove it from the secretariat where he was holding sway in office. The videos I will play to you. When he took over his secretariat office in Lagos, in fact, it was like civil war. They were breaking everything as if the world was ending. It's in camera. We'll put it in flat and give it to the Brekete family to do. And they went inside, looted it, damaged so many other things inside, which we have also laid complaint before the Nigerian police. So when that failed, when he could not get access to the bank account that he wanted to because the money he saw there, that one failed. So do you know what they did? He is a staff of Bola Audu Innocent, is a staff of Akana General Federation. Then the former treasurer is a staff too of the same Akana General Federation. And that one was working in the IPPI session. Yes. They now did some things. They now went without authorization to open another account in the name of Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria.
Another
account.
Entirely. Different account entirely.
Entirely. In UBA. They opened that account inside Transcorp Heating branch. That one that is very hidden, that nobody will even meet you, do anything there. Very hidden. When a particular month, we didn't get, I think for the month of October 2022, we did not get our normal remittance from the IPIS platform. We now went there. They said, we have paid you now. Paid who? True. The name of the voucher will show Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria. But underneath, there was a conduit pipe that taken from the rightful account to this other illegal account.
That was created by him.
By Bola Audu Innocent and Megeri Ayuba and one Acho Gamaliel. They did that. So we now rush to go to Transcorp Heating UB account. We were going there, we never even knew, because as a time we never know the detail. We saw the woman coming out of Ayuba, Megeri, coming out of Transcorp Heating Hotel with some bulky envelope. But we greeted and we just went in. So it was upon interrogation, sir, that the UB official said, but one of you just came to withdraw from the account just now. So it was that money that they were already sharing.
Make I give you water, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Put the microphone here. If you hear kekeke, na new one. You hear her?
I hear her. Thank you, sir.
May I hold the microphone, make you drink. No rush, take your time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So we now went to Akana General's office. How did it happen? They say they came that the union has changed its account. We said no, we didn't change our account because, other president, sir, before a union takes any decision, relevant organs must meet. Even though he said he is an executive president, we don't have that in the constitution. Relevant organs must meet, and those organs are on a day-to-day basis the Central Work Committee, then on a yearly basis the National Executive Council, then on a 4-year basis we have the National Delegate Conference.
Sorry, sir. Mr. Your name, sir?
Okay, Isaac Ojemeke.
Isaac
Ojemeke.
Ojeweke.
Ojemeke.
Ojeme. Ojemweke.
Ojemeke.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the Constitution with you, sir?
No, I didn't have it. One here.
Make you go give this one way now. No, what if they have tampered with it? Okay, give them. I want you to go to Rule 3. Roman figure 1. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Can you read it for me, sir?
The membership of the association shall comprise all officers in the public services of the respective federal and state governments holding appointment from grade level 07 and above, but excluding all categories of typists / stenographers, nurses / midwives, and pharmacists / medical technologists.
Let me assist you. Rule number 3, membership of the association. The membership of the association shall comprise of all officers in the public services of the respective federal and state governments holding appointments from grade level 7 and above, but excluding all categories of typists, stenographers, nurses / midwives, and pharmacists / medical technologists. Are you still a member of this association? With this I have read.
I'm a member.
Which category did you fall into?
By
fall under?
By ILO definition, just like my colleague.
Talk to the microphone, sir.
Just like my colleague mentioned earlier, we had due pay members and also non-due pay members. Those are two categories of members that International Labour Organization recognized as members of the
So
union.
that one is superior to this one that is governing your association. I just want to get it clear, sir. You know, there are superior laws that can supersede. So I just want it to be put categorically clear here.
Okay.
If ILO, International Labour Organization law talk say una be members, either what you una call them, something non-dues paying members and dues paying members. Why I just say make I get and clear here, so that we no go they talk to the wrong person.
Okay.
Rule 3. Roman figure 1. Rule 3 is membership of the association.
Yes, sir.
Now I read what it says. The membership of the association shall comprise of all officers in the public services of the respective federal and state governments holding appointments from grade level 07 and above, but excluding all categories of typists / stenographers, nurses / midwives, and pharmacists / medical technologists. So, when they say excluding, now before the excluding, we have the including. Now, between this excluding and including, which category have you fallen into?
In line with part 3 of the same constitution, sir.
Yes. Which
12,
page, sir? Which page?
Page 11.
Sorry for taking us back.
No problem, sir. No problem,
I
sir.
just want us to establish something. Page 11.
Yes, sir. Other Roman figure 8.
Roman figure 8 says, the National Executive Council shall have the absolute power to interpret the rules of this association.
So in line with that, sir, both paid staff of the union, in line with that ILO convention, are recognized as non-due pay members of the union.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. No. Nobody is going to talk. Nobody is going to talk apart from the people that. Una no go talk. Una no go talk. But this man here, he came with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Let him support you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, where you read, Honorary President.
Indirect me, sir.
Yes.
Roman figure 8.
Yes, where you read. In trade unionism, before you register a trade union, you have to have a constitution, which will be registered by the registrar of trade union. Now, this thing is talking about is in terms of our membership within where we operate in, so that we don't go and take a member that belongs to another union. That is why it is specified here. That's why it says excluding typists. We don't go and start unionizing a typist as Association of Senior Civil Servants. Anytime we have matter with any union in court, this is what will be referred to. That we have limited member, we are not the only union, because we say we cover level 7 and above. And it's not only our members that are on level 7 and above. But when you go to officers of the union in the constitution, you will see that state secretaries have the role they play. The general secretary has the role they play.
Take me there and read it.
Okay, now, when you come here, you have national vice president, which when you come to the secretariat is the secretary general. Look at the secretary general here. This is the secretariat. The secretary general.
Which page?
Page 18. Page 18
Of
this on constitution rule. Sorry, let me. Sorry. Rule 14.
Talk to the mic, sir.
This is rule 14. Now rule 14F.
Rule 14.
F.
Well, please borrow me. Look at mic, sir.
This mic.
Rule 14F. Which page, sir?
Page 18 in this constitution.
Which constitution? Constitution of what?
Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria.
So that it will be clear.
Yes.
Not Nigeria's constitution.
Yes.
Rule 14. Abi?
Yes.
Of.
Rule 14F.
Okay.
Rule 14F.
Page what?
Page 18.
Thank you. Read it, sir.
And if you look at it, the function of a secretary general is up to
Talk to the mic, sir.
XI 11. He has 11 functions.
Read them out.
11 functions. Why even the president has 3 functions?
Read these ones out.
Let me read it out for you, sir. The secretary general shall be a paid staff of the association. He shall be appointed by the National Executive Council subject to the approval of the National Delegate Conference and shall hold office at the pleasure of the association. He shall maintain a nominal roll of members, showing the functional designation, calling of usual occupation, place of work, each member, and name of employer. He shall conduct the business of the association in accordance with the rules of the Constitution and shall implement the decision of the National Delegate Conference, the National Executive Council, and the Central Working Committee. He shall organize and attend all, he shall organize and attend all delegate conference meeting of the National Executive Council and the Central Working Committee, and shall ensure accurate coordinating of minutes. He shall have the right to attend branch, chapter, this one in states, units, meetings, and participate in the deliberation. In all meetings, he shall have the right to speak. The only thing that, but shall not have the right to vote. Should I continue, sir?
No. Hold on, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, please. Please. Put it here. If you hear keke, now new one. You hear her?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Now hold on for you. Drink water. Don't rush it. Don't rush it, sir. So that you no go choke. You feel keep the water here, sir.
You can be here, sir.
Okay, sir.
No problem. So,
These
are the
Secretary General. Okay.
Hello.
Now, I they come back to you, sir. Oh, I don't even thief microphone now. Sorry, sir. Make I go back to that my small phone. Sir, make I read them. Make you hear. Make everybody hear. Secretary General. The Secretary General shall be a paid staff of the association.
Yes.
He shall be appointed by the National Executive Council subject to the approval of the National Delegates Conference and shall hold office at the pleasure of the association. Now, he shall maintain a nominal roll of members showing the functional designation, calling or usual occupation and place of work of each member and the name of the employer. Roman figure 3. He shall conduct the business of the association in accordance with the rules of the Constitution and shall implement the decisions of the National Delegates Conference, the National Executive Council, and the Central Working Committee. 4. He shall organize and attend all delegates' conference, meetings of the National Executive Council and the Central Working Committee, and shall ensure accurate recordings of the minutes. He shall also have the right to attend branch, chapter, and unit meetings and participate in the deliberation in all the meetings. He shall have the right to speak, but shall have no right to vote. Now, sir, you will soon continue, but let me draw your attention to something. If the Secretary General shall be a paid staff of the association, and he shall be appointed by the National Executive Council, subject to the approval of the National Delegate Conference, and shall hold office at the pleasure of the association. Who has the powers to organize National Delegate Conference?
That's why I say the secretary.
Who has the power?
He has the power there. He's there.
He, the National
has
Secretary,
the power.
has
Yes.
the power
To organize. Yes.
Okay.
He has the power.
It is now clear.
Yeah.
Now, the National Secretary has the and who
In our meetings.
Yes, sir.
In our meetings.
Yes, sir.
Now, because
No.
in our meetings, that if you go to quorum, go to rule this I think rule 17. Let me get it. Quorum. It's specified that the quorum for a meeting.
So the Secretary General can organize a delegate conference without the consent of the president, the national president.
No, not so. Not so.
No, you're out of this.
I'm coming.
Sir, if you talk
the
again, I will
issue
send
is-
you out, sir.
Okay.
Please. Not you, sir.
Okay.
I mean the complainant. While you were talking, I did not allow them to interrupt you. So please.
And at the point when we organized this particular delegate conference, we didn't have a president. We didn't have CWC members. Because even the court judgment that we challenged, we appealed on, not challenged, we appealed on, said that Bola Innocent Awudu should be reinstated. That's what is there. To serve out his tenure, which ends on 29th of July. Now, when we now went on appeal, because we're on appeal, when it was 29th of July, the other CWC member, they were 13, apart from the former treasurer, who was suspended because of opening an illegal account with him. Those remaining ones wrote to us, tendered their resignation, say because of this court, because of God, there's no place in Constitution to extend the tenure of CWC. Constitution did not provide for that.
You say your name is
Dr. Bokwe? Yeah.
He will continue.
Okay.
You only raise your hand to maybe support his argument, not for you to take over. And it might interest you to know that even those that you claimed have tendered their resignation might have done that out of intimidation, fear,
there is no such thing,
and harassment. Oh,
and they are even in this hall. They are here, sir.
I use the word.
They are part of us here. They are here. Okay. Okay.
Sir, over to you. Continue. You can keep the microphone close to you in case there is the need for you to say something. Yes, continue, sir.
So everywhere he has been taking us to is whipping up sentiment that it is on the basis of, according to him, monumental fraud. Like I told you, he had taken us, guys, I'm talking about Bola Audu Innocent, taking us around all the anti-graft agencies. So like I was trying to say, when he now failed in court in Lagos, he now opened that illegal account. When we go into deep investigation, in fact, at that surface, we never knew who opened the account because the bank would never release to you the signatories. So we had to write a petition to the Commissioner of Police. That was what we were trying to refer to, that we took him before the Commissioner of Police. So it was the Commissioner of Police that unraveled the fact that it was Bola Audu Innocent plus Megeri Ayuba plus Gamelie who opened that illegal account. As we are talking now, that matter is pending before a high court in FCT. Then before we close after that they now restored back the original number of the union. See, the union never changed the account. After some months, he did it again. A second diversion was made to that same account.
How much was diverted?
About 80-something million per each of the month to the account. And this money, sir, is meant for units, is meant for chapters, is meant for branches. It's not meant for him. Let's even assume that he was even the city president. It's not meant for a president to divide and keep. It's meant to be distributed to service all these organs. In those 2 months, maybe he will show this honorable Berekete family which of these organs of the union he serviced from that money. We even got information that some of the money were transferred to our barrister here, who is, yes. So those one will be...
He admitted here that the money for the car was used to pay his lawyers. Hence, the association had abandoned him. He had... Abiuna know here? Yes, so continue, sir.
That part of that money was equally transferred to the lawyer.
Apart from the money for the car?
Even that one, we are just hearing that one here that he used it for. Okay. He never said so. He just bring that one. It's an afterthought excuse that he's bringing.
Yes, sir.
So that matter is still undergoing investigation. So it was as a result of that the former treasurer, Ayuba, was not issued queried. Well, how come as a national officer you joined to open an illegal account? He was invited for, in fact, he passed through the disciplinary process that he was suspended as a national treasurer of this association.
So the president cannot give an instruction as in his capacity as the president
He cannot. Even
After taking over.
Taking over, which time, sir? This time I'm talking about, he's not anywhere.
Okay, he wasn't.
Yes.
He
went to court in Lagos. Lagos have vacated that order that let the secretariat return back to those who have been in charge of secretariat. Let the accounts return back to those who have been running it. So it was.
But what led to his removal in the first place? Was it not that false allegation from NAPTIP?
You are calling
that
okay.
Because if person where they carry case come against her and court can't discharge and acquit her, there is no substance of that allegation that will hold water. Now I call an false allegation because many people they even talk say that thing resembles setup. But now talk with the talk.
Yes.
So that as at be with the outcome of the as at that time it wasn't false allegation, but with the outcome of this judgment that says he has been discharged and acquitted, it means there was no substance at all in all the allegations that led to his removal from the office. I don't know if I'm making any sense to you, sir.
No, that allegation led to his removal.
Yes.
Then in between, while he was told to step aside as a president, he refused. He was not engaging in anti-union activities. I'm coming, sir.
But make we make and clear before you go continue so that we no go they go back and forth. The accused person. Okay, you get one time where somebody bring complaint against me here. We do them openly here. When I remember, yes, sir. I stepped down from here because the time I took over, I was questioned live on air. I was cross-examined. I gave them what I knew. And at the end of the day, they discovered that I had no hand in the matter. And I came back to my seat. You understand, sir? If, because now Nigeria we know say the fish set person up. We don't see person where come out now. They say when you come out, you no one come out. Waiting they worry you. The way go make that go come out talk like this. No be small matter. Madam, come out. Come out, I wanna go school. So, waiting me they talk be say, if the fit come, according to them, they no send them SMS, they no call them. Invitation, you carry 7 people come from NAPTIP, 5 armed in the middle of a meeting. A president of an association. You did not just send one person to invite him. You did not call him. You came to harass, embarrass, and intimidate him in the middle of a meeting. And within the period of incarceration, illegal incarceration, you removed him. It looks suspicious. As if it is a plan, come, take him, NAPTIP, detain him, while he's in there, we do this, we do that.
No.
That, Pamela, we are not concluding. Now waiting the case resemble, now we they talk, so we no conclude on this matter. Sir, over to you.
Yes, sir. You know, in the course of that NAPTIP case, maybe he will be the one to tell this honorable house who is one Mustafa Kehinde, who is one Joel Simbi Mustafa. Both of these 2 guys, they are orphans. But the matter is in court. I can't give detail. Maybe the next time
it's in court. Abi case where done determined already.
No, it's on appeal. It's on appeal. Yes, on appeal. No, it's in court. We have the document. It's in court.
Please let us have the document.
It's okay. I'll bring the document, sir.
So continue,
I'll
sir.
bring the document, sir. So he will explain.
My question makes sense. Yes. Okay, continue, sir.
So let me tell you, sir, this National Executive Council,
yes,
these are the members. 1, we have the national president. 2, we have 4 vice presidents. We have the treasurer, the internal auditor, the trustee, the secretary general, the chairman of each branch. We have about 35
all of them
branches.
in attendance.
Yes. Then the chairman of each chapter, about 36 chapter. Across the federation, then we have 5 ex-official members of the Central Working Committee. By the time you calculate this one, the number is running between 200 and 300. Then he's not saying that a decision reached by that organ was orchestrated by just one individual. He's calling a staff. The Central Working Committee, in their own wisdom, look at the allegation that was brought against him. They said, yes, the union will stand by you, they told him. But however, the way news are being carried nowadays, and with the nature of the work this union does, we what do you call now? We and the government, we should not have a president who will be leading the union from the dock. That was why I've been sure he was not removed from the union. He just said, okay, you just step aside. Let this other person act as the president within the period pending when this matter is resolved. You got the president,
yes, sir.
That was what happened.
But
then
if not that question where you ask, say, after 200 and something people we form quorum to take that decision, Abi, where that Ingo Khan they talk say now one person.
That's what he's saying now. That one day, so it was removed by Alade Bashilawa.
Sir, cool. Where they remove president for country, now one person they start up. Possibility dead here, but continue, sir.
So instead for you to abide by that decision, okay, you step aside, let somebody act in your place, pending when this matter was resolved. He refused. It was within this period, sir. I told you, we were being dragged to Alagbon, dragged to SARS, dragged to ICPC, EFCC, round everywhere to different courts in the federation. And it was within the same period too, he now went ahead and opened an illegal account. That now led...
Behind the door?
Behind the door. That now led to another meeting of the neck.
Which is a criminal offense.
Which the police is even say handling. And he was now expelled from the union. I've been sure he was not expelled, but with all these activities that was now chronicled before the NEG, decision was taken, he was expelled from the union.
Who wrote this petition to NAPTIP in the first place? No, now you are the ask.
I don't know.
Because you as a union members, somebody wrote a petition against your president then. You did not bother to investigate to know whether this thing is true or not. You hurriedly did what you did in order to save the name of the association so that your president cannot will not be presiding over the affairs of the union or association from the dock.
There was a girl, like I mentioned one of the names just now, who complained about the encounter with him. We don't know. He's from Benue State. Benue State.
Okay, so continue, sir.
Yes. So that what led to his expulsion from the union. You understand? So the fact that they stole this, they stole that. Like as we are talking now,
yes, sir.
This same complaint that he brought to Hembelebe.
No, it's not Hembelebe.
Okay, sorry, sir.
It's Human Rights Radio and Television.
I'm
and
sorry,
the
sir.
name of the program now Brekete Family.
I'm sorry, sir.
Hembelebe is just a slogan.
It's okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Human Rights. Sir. Thank you,
yes,
sir.
Sir.
It's been investigated by FIB. Like I told you earlier, he went to Alagbon to report and take us there. Then he now came to Abuja. He now wrote another petition. Then he now picked one of our staff in Lagos, bring it to Abuja, bring her to Abuja, married woman. I think I want to spend some days before we even knew that I was here, and we all equally rather than to get him released on bail. So the point he's after is just that, okay, if I cannot be there as the president. Let me disorganize.
Let me
disorganize the union.
Let everybody go down
yes,
with
sir,
me.
that's where he is. That's where he is. As we are talking now, the NIC that gave order that okay, you could be reinstated from last year to July 29 when your tenure will expire. After that tenure expire, he still paraded himself. That same NIC has equally give a restraining order that you shouldn't parade yourself pending when you appear before NIC. He ignored. As we are talking yesterday here, he went to Akana General trying to see change the account detail because it's after the money of the union to a different one. It took the watchful eye of those who are there to call us. When the Akana General saw the receipt, I said, this fact was never told me. Quickly say, reverse it back to
let's appreciate the Accountant General and the staff there.
Most times, wherever I go, it will give you half of the truth, but the complete side that will make you reach informed decision, he will consider that until when we have this kind of encounter. And
but here, in don't expose everything.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
Now your turn.
So that is the issue. And on Monday, the union had a national delegates conference. And just like I told you just now, that the union is being run based on organ level. These members of the organs, they gathered. We have the attendance here to equally show.
Mention the organs.
The units, the chapters.
Mention their names.
Then the branches.
Mention their names.
Which names are? Okay, I tell you, no, it's a bulk here. They are here.
Mention them. We have all the time in the world. If we know fit finish today, we continue tomorrow by the grace of God.
Okay.
We don't give this man more than enough time to talk. Now we will not get on our own opportunity. Take advantage.
Yes, sir.
Cancel or neutralize things where.
It's okay, sir.
Yeah, I don't know whether you understand, sir. Make you not be like say, now you're right now.
They will have a list of. We have a branch chairman that were there. We have one Sunday Agoha.
Representing which branch? Abia State branch.
Yes, sir. They will have one Maurice Lawrence from Adamawa. We have Daniel G. Udo from Akwa Ibom. We have.
Waiting be their individual designations in these branches.
No, they're chairman. Chairman. Chairman.
It good make we get them clear.
Chairman. Chairman.
Adamawa.
I mentioned Daniel G. Udo. Akwa Ibom. I mentioned Monite. Okay, Monife Chike D. Anabra. Abdullah Hassan Bauchi. Alain Eno Martin Baesa. Oje Enwa Benue. Faimuta Usma Zana Bono. Mode Ogbede Cross River.
Monday Ugbede.
Ugbede is handwriting. Bolu Marcia Martins Data. We have Owonu Nichel Ebony. We have Wasa J. Joseph Edo. We have Otitoju Kayinde Ekiti. We have Ezra Robinson Enugu. We have Isha Abubakar Gombe. We have Iwubasi Imo. We have Bashir Tijani Jigawa. We have Abdulwahi Danekoni Kaduna. We have Abdurasak Abu. We have Mutari Ruma Kasina. We have Suleiman Hassan Kebi. We have Sule Ahmed Tijani Kogi. We have Ajakbe S. Suleiman Kwara. We have Olusegun Balogun Lagos. We have Starunch Jiwa Nasarawa. Abraham Ghana Niger. Olude Isha Ogun. Musa Samuel Ondo. Adekoa Adebole Oshun. Bodmos Kola Oyo. Leah Gina Esquire.
You go to talk to the mic, sir.
Plateau. Leah Gina Esquire Plateau. Olubun Ima Rivers. Ibrahim Shetu Abubakar Sokoto. Gani Polia Isaac Taraba. Bulama Musa Yobe. Saidu Monique also Zamfara. That is the list of the branch chairmen.
This branch chairman, na recent branch chairman have been branch chairman we don't did there before.
Where did they before?
They don't reach like 2-3 years there.
Yes, some even more.
Because why I dey ask this question make you know be like say they arrange some kind things, come put some people there in order to
existing organs. So now let me read the list of chapter chairmen.
It be like say I do mistake. This man and this man they talk. Sir, we come this way. But if I do like that again,
no, they are together. They are together.
Which people they together? Wait,
the two middle.
The two middle are together.
Physics and economics.
Oh man, they won't go urinate. You take I better borrow me one chair here, sir. Gentle daddy on radio. Because I can't. If I allow him, it means I've not been fair to these people. I don't know that one understand. If I allow this sitting, it means we are not being fair to the respondents. So now we will isolate somebody that is not even supposed to be here. As a lawyer, he's not supposed to be here unless I see their own lawyer. JJJ support make we kick him out, say nay. Outer. No gonna clap for him as they come out. Thank you, sir. You go come back and talk tomorrow.
Before kindly indulge me, because while I was here, he said something. I'm a legal profession.
You go come respond tomorrow.
But unfortunately, I'm traveling to Lagos today. I had to respect.
Okay. Wait. Sir, please, I want to crave your indulgence to please let us give him some minutes to respond. Is it okay? Is it okay with you? Because you accused him, you laid one allegation against him that he wants to respond to.
No, don't worry. Okay, sir. You know, he's the one going to the court with our lawyer. I would let our lawyer be there. So if he's responding.
This one, allegation when you direct to them. I just now out of court say I say make I seek your consent. Don't be say they take directive from you. I go give him opportunity.
I'm very grateful, Ordinary President. As a legal practitioner, no, I won't talk too much. As a legal practitioner, that was a very weighty allegation. And I think while he was talking, he did make reference to me that monies were paid to me. Yes, now, it's very, very important for me to make clarification. Number one, the said sum that was paid to a lawyer from the money that was used to buy that was supposed to be used to buy a vehicle that was employed for the purpose of his defense.
Are you a staff of that place?
No, I'm not. I am a founding...
Are you not entitled to your payment as a professional?
Now, sir, I'm very, very entitled. But I must mention that I actually took on this matter, let the whole world know, I took on this matter on humanitarian grounds. I have
Let's
appeared...
appreciate.
Now,
wait
yes,
first.
sir. I have appeared in not less than 7 matters for the national president. Not less than 7 matters for the national president. I have never presented a bill to him once. Never.
Hey, let's appreciate.
Never. Now, he needs to also understand that in 2012, when a similar matter happened in this association, I was the one that represented the parties. Nothing was paid to me. I didn't present any, and that was the basis upon which the president that handed over to him, as well as this person called Alade Bashir Lawal, that was how they were able to get into office because of my intervention in 2012.
The same you?
I was the one that handled their matter.
Without being paid kobo?
Without being paid kobo. So if they are in office today...
this lawyer, I beg.
So if they are in office today, they have to remember how it happened. I was the one. I was very instrumental for that to happen. Now, he also said something, because my name is everything I have. He also said something. He said that 25 million naira from the money that was domiciled in the UB account was paid to the lawyer, and he pointed to me. I also need to let him understand that I can avail him all my corporate account, all the corporate account of law sector and partners. Let him look at where association transferred 1 naira to me. I have handled, I learned about this matter because I've been involved in 2012 and I understand what happens in that association. This matter is not supposed to, I'm not supposed to be here. I haven't spent about 3 years in courts getting a judgment for him. I'm not supposed to be here, but I'm here at his instance. And I'm also here so that the entire world will understand what actually happened. Reality remains that if things were done properly, we are not supposed to be here.
Okay, barrister, hold on. Please sit down, sir.
Grateful, sir.
I want to tender an unreserved apology to you.
I'm grateful, sir.
For sending you out.
Thank you, sir.
Not because you are supposed to be here, but because of the way and manner I ask you to go out.
I'm grateful, sir. Thank you, sir.
As a lawyer to the complainant, they also have the right to come in with their own lawyer.
I agree, sir. I do.
But
I agree completely, sir.
But with what you have laid as a foundation,
yes,
I think the whole world, if it is established,
yes, sir,
that you did not collect money from them in 2012,
yes, sir,
and you did not collect money now,
yes, sir,
then the whole world should listen to you.
I'm grateful, sir.
Barrister
grateful.
Pamela is not here because she took ill. I excused her.
Thank you, sir.
If not because of the emergency on ground,
yes, sir,
I would have simply asked you to come back and tell us what you know and what you understand,
yes, sir,
about this whole issue.
I'll be grateful, man. I'll be grateful.
Is tomorrow okay for you? Can you suspend that journey tomorrow, sir?
I will honor the ordinary president.
Please. Come tomorrow. We will listen to them.
Yes,
after
sir,
listening to both parties, after they have cross-examined each other,
yes,
you're
sir,
not going to talk.
okay, sir.
By the time they are done, members of the public can ask them questions. We will open the telephone line. They will ask them questions.
Yes, sir.
They will have their witnesses. Thank God they have about 36 witnesses from different states. Some of them that cannot come here, we can call them over the phone, if it is okay by you, for them to give to give their own testimonies. The same thing with the complainant side.
Yes, sir.
Those that are able to come, we will listen to them physically. I mean, directly in the studio.
Yes, sir.
After all that,
Yes, sir.
we will look at you with the eyes of a neutral person,
Very well, sir.
and we're going to put you on oath.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Here,
Yes, sir.
after normal oath,
Yes, sir.
we go traditional.
Very well, sir.
I mean, when I know how we they do it here.
It's very good.
Now, wetin make governors and National Assembly members fit misbehave after the oath of office and president?
Yes.
Our own, after the normal oath, we go traditional.
It's appreciated, sir.
Are we together?
Yes, sir. It's
We don't want to know whether you are a Muslim or a Christian. You that one, but traditional. God no get tribe.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. And we'll go traditional.
Thank you so
very
much.
much.
I'm very grateful,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you
but
so
you
much,
will
sir.
still step out.
Thank you, sir.
This time around, please, barrister, could you please excuse us?
Am I allowed to take a bow, sir?
Bow.
Thank you so much.
If you like, take acrobatic, they go. Thank you. Make we appreciate her. Leave the chair there. Leave the chair there, my dear. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. So, sir, by 12:30, we go suspend this. Make una go rest. Tomorrow, na another day. We no go do any other case tomorrow. Even tomorrow, I not go do sermon. My sermon no go pass maybe 1 minute. And we are going to start this program at exactly 7:30 by the grace of God. You are in charge. The floor is yours. You and your people. Are we together? So continue until 12:30, sir.
Okay. Since the names are bulky, maybe I'll read that tomorrow. Let me speak on other issues.
You don't mention all the chairmen.
That one a branch.
Okay.
We have chapter. We have units.
Okay,
So let me speak on other
yes, sir.
issues.
Sir.
Now,
Sir.
sir.
Each time you drop this microphone, it will be only us that will be listening to you.
Okay.
Remember, that time the microphone did not misbehave. The whole world was listening to him.
Okay.
You need to talk to these other people. Okay. Please, sir. Even when you forget, always remember to. Oh, should somebody hold the microphone for you?
Okay, let me hold this.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
When we got police protection from the Commissioner of Police FCT, based on what we hear will likely happen to the Secretariat.
The threat that is on the way.
Speaking of brimstones and others, the Commissioner of Police obliged with the police. So he came on a particular Wednesday. When he came, he also came with a team of police. His own team was led by Assistant Commissioner of Police. From the question they were asking him at the gate, we have an idea what he must have told them in the office. They asked him,
who were
the Commissioner of Police
that came with him?
One, where is your enrollment order? He said, you know,
Wait, sir. Assistant Commissioner of Police followed a man from the command without asking questions. Now, when they reach gate, he go come, they ask question. Is this man supposed to be an Assistant Commissioner of Police? Even police sergeant, with the intelligent, no go do this kind of thing. But continue, sir.
That was the question I heard was being asked him.
Okay, you were not there.
I was there. Okay. That was the question I heard they were asking.
Assistant Commissioner
the president
that
led the police to come. He said there's no enrollment order. He said, okay, what are the court staff? He said there are no court staff. I said, then why am I here? Why am I here? That is what they mentioned. Why am I here? So the man, he left.
I left them there.
He left them with some other police that came with him. He left.
Why?
I don't know.
He left alone.
No, I didn't see him again in the vicinity. He left.
But the other police that came with him remained behind.
Some police were outside, which I believe came with him, were outside. You know, this time around, like you said, to avoid attack, we were inside the compound. I couldn't have the full picture of what was happening outside.
Going on outside.
Yes, sir. But before the gate was locked, one of his lawyers.
Not this one now.
Not this one. He has many lawyers. One of the lawyers was in the compound. He was with us inside the compound. So when that other police left, they went on rampage. They physically pulled down the iron part of the fence. They pulled it down. So we now told the man who was inside, who came with him, so whatever happened to this building,
now
your head
responsible. Yes,
thank God that you are with us. You are not going anywhere. So it was him that now pulled a call across again to whoever. Then we now saw police now came with a reinforcement because he told us that he had put the call across. We shouldn't fear anything. Police now
one of the people that came with this man.
Yes.
That was inside with you people.
Inside.
That time when I tell and say, you, thank God you did inside with us.
Yes.
Anything will happen here, you know they go anywhere.
You see the destruction.
Now that time he come place call across to
yes.
Una no know who in call.
Who he call.
He call assure when I say
we shouldn't worry. The destruction will go beyond that.
thank you.
So
sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. I see and they check time. 12:30 don't do. I don't know whether if we continue tomorrow. Abi, you get waiting you want drop first before you go. Continue, maybe you get to a point, then you go signal me.
So that's how the police.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. No, in the check time.
Okay. That's how the police now came back again
with the same assistant commissioner of police.
This time around,
the same assistant commissioner of police will go.
Yes.
Come back again.
Yes. He was not asking him. You say you are the president. Is it not this building that you are now vandalizing that you want to superintend over? Why are you behaving as a thug? He said you don't have. He just the man out of anger. He now left the scene entirely.
He get the way you go one collect my car. I go scatter the glass enter. So you know that one no be excuse.
But that was what happened. So he now left. He failed to go until around 11 in the night.
Now him be that 6 hours waiting they claim.
Yes, sir. Around 11, not 6 hours. That was when a caller went to. This time he's not importing more people to come from nowhere. That if police didn't do anything, this might lead to other. Yes. That was how a meeting he referred to was called at the FCT. The police now said, okay, you that is inside the compound, you that is laying claim, all of you leave the compound, let me secure the compound. That was how commissioner of police secured the compound. So we're good to go. We called a meeting on Sunday, which you want to refer to. In that meeting, that barrister, that son, he was referring to, there was a question he put forward to him that he has not answered to today. Because he was trying to say that we don't have right of appeal. He said no. Every judgment have right of appeal. It's not a military error, especially in this case of fundamental human rights. They don't ask the question. But why did you not go for your enrollment order?
Okay.
He said they don't have a time for that.
Sir.
The last episode.
Okay.
So after that, because the police now should go.
Even tomorrow, you are not going to continue from where you stopped. You go back small. You understand what I'm saying? So that people go understand what happened. On behalf of everybody waiting for inside the open air studio, inside the compound of Human Rights Radio and Television,